Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Our next few videos will be focusing on figures of speech, their types and examples. In English, there are many figures of speech, but we will be focusing on 12 main figures of speech. They are simile, metaphor, paradox, allegory, personification, hyperbole, antithesis, tautology, alliteration, onomatopoeia, repetition, and irony. Out of this, four figures of speech, that is simile, paradox, metaphor, and allegory, are already discussed in previous videos as literary term. Links to those videos are given in description below. I have also created a playlist which is also given in description below. However, today's video will mainly focus on basic information about figures of speech and some examples. And another 8 figures of speech out of 12 will be shown individually in upcoming videos. Without more delay, let us begin with introduction to figure of speech and its importance. A figure of speech is a figurative language. Figure of speech is a word or a phrase that possesses a separate meaning from its literal definition. The figure of speech is widely used in literature, and even we use them in our conversation for better effect to our speech. Using of figure of speech in language is same like sprinkling or garnishing food with coriander to make it look delicious and beautiful. Figure of speech in the same way adds interest to language and makes it more exciting. Figurative language thus helps us to understand the message better. Let us know more about figure of speech with some examples. Let us consider an example. When you are about to go to the market and your mom says, "Carry umbrella with you. It's raining cats and dogs out there." Here, your mom does not literally mean that cats and dogs are falling from the sky. You must be thinking, why didn't she just say it's raining? Take your umbrella? She didn't, because figure of speech are meant to clarify and describe it in detail. In your case, rain has many forms. It may be heavy, drizzling, etc. But your mom used figure of speech to clarify that it is raining heavily outside. Let us take one more example. She ran as fast as lightning. Here the phrase fast as lightning implies great speed and does not mean literally as fast as lightning. Thus, we saw the basic information of figure of speech along with its examples. Now, in upcoming videos, we will see 8 different and interesting figure of speech individually. As I have already mentioned earlier, this is a quick reminder that out of 12 figure of speech, the links of 4 figure of speech is given in the description box below. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video. Do like and share the video to your friends. Subscribe to my channel so that you are aware about our next videos on figure of speech and much more on literature.